Good morning mga ka-Starcon. Yeah, 3 hours travel from Cavite all the way in Quezon City. Anong gagawin? Yes, magte-training tayo. Courtesy of Higher Philippines. And also we invited our partners, sub-dealers, technicians, and installers.
Okay, let's go.
Good morning, everyone!
Good morning!
Ayun. So, thank you. First of all, gusto ko magpasalamat kay God for having us all here. We really appreciate it. On behalf of Starcon Appliances Trading, and also from Higher, we have this great opportunity today na matuto. So, I believe there's always a reason for everything. That's why we're all here. For us, of course, for today, to learn. And para sa atin. Okay?
Hindi siya sir yung patulog ng iba natin na nag-click yung lumulog ng katagalan. Hindi. Yes. Basta kanina masira ang siya. Ang galing ko yun. Yes. So, eto sir, tama. Hindi siya best na basta dapat pagkakatuwa kasi banal. Kasi marunong ba talaga magpa-plus?